Alright, so I just got on my bike, and I left the key on for like 5 minutes. I left the key on for 5 minutes, and it's dead. So, what do? Turn my music off. I'm gonna try to pop start it myself. Always a great idea. But we don't have any hills. So, this will be a lot of fun. Alright. You run as fast as you can. You jump on it. Ha ha ha! Alright. That's how you do it. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't think that was gonna work. So what I did right there, if you couldn't figure it out, when you pop start a bike, man, that was fun. Alright. You cannot do this on an automatic vehicle, only a manual vehicle. So what I did was, it was in neutral. I'm running with the bike, I jumped on it, I threw it in gear, and then I popped the clutch. So it connected the engine. So instead of the starter spinning the engine while it's not connected to the bike or to the wheels spun the engine, which is what got the thing started. Now I was pretty surprised I was able to do it in first gear. A lot of times when you try to pop start in first gear, it just kind of your back tire just locks up because of the compression. It's still dead. I was hoping letting it sit in the garage for the night with no battery tender and nothing would make it better. Let's pop start it. It's about fast enough. No. It's easier to push the bike. No. Feel the rhythm. Oh my God. Tons of gas. I'm walking the bike back. I'm giving up. You turn the key, you get nothing. Well, now you get a little something, but it's barely, and then after a couple of seconds, it turns off.